Our thinking largely impacts how we perceive and interpret events. Mindfulness of thought can raise our awareness of just how much we may be contributing to our own emotional state. We often react to events rather than respond, which may leave us feeling regretful or embarrassed. Many of us have also learned to avoid any experience or feeling that does not immediately create happiness, or we escape via drugs, alcohol, video games, shopping, eating, or any other number of things. Mindfulness meditation can help us tolerate and manage distressful situations and intense feelings. It can provide the space to genuinely connect with people and experiences, even when they are unpleasant. It can be utilized as a tool for staying connected to your life. We're going to do an exercise called Witnessing Thought. Remember that the information and exercises provided are not meant as a substitute for medical advice or medical treatment of any kind. It is recommended that you consult your physician prior to beginning any program that may alter your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Try to find a quiet space where you will not be interrupted for the duration of the exercise. Find a comfortable posture, either sitting in a comfortable chair or lying down on a yoga mat. If you're sleepy, sitting may be best unless you're hoping to use this exercise or the other exercises for sleep. Begin by noticing your breath as you inhale through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Your abdomen should rise as you breathe in and fall as you breathe out. Notice the stomach as it rises and falls. After you have done this for a minute or two and feel relatively grounded in your body, shift your attention to your thoughts. Imagine you are sitting on the band of a river and your thoughts are represented by the passing water. You don't have to try to think of something. Just be open to with whatever thought arises. When you become aware that you're thinking, try to view these thoughts as just passing events. You're sitting on the bank, simply witnessing each thought as it comes and goes. Rather than get attached to a thought and be taken down the river, try and just observe your thoughts by noting them and letting them pass. If one particular thought or topic continues to arise, just notice this with curiosity and acceptance, allowing the thought to be here without trying to stop it. You may notice that your mind wanders from topic to topic, or that it keeps going back to one thing. Just notice what is happening without judging it. This exercise allows you to recognize patterns of thought, issues that are chronic, and also recognize how each moment can change within the meditation. There is no wrong or right way to do this exercise. Your experience will likely differ each time you do the exercise. An adaptation to the exercise is to notice your thoughts and simply label or categorize them as they arise. Some example categories may include thinking, planning, worrying, or ruminating. Another exercise that you can do anytime is called mindfulness of environment. Many may find it hard to set aside time for a formal meditation practice, so rather than abandon the idea, it's often useful to know that mindfulness is really about how we are in our lives rather than what we do. We can incorporate the concepts of mindfulness to everyday activities such as brushing our teeth, doing dishes, driving to work, walking to class, cleaning, and just about any activity. So far, we have focused on just being. You can also find ways to fully be present in whatever it is you're doing. We may often shift into autopilot when doing routine activities and are often in our heads thinking. For this exercise, choose one activity that you complete on a daily basis and use that time and activity as an opportunity to connect with the present moment. See if you can fully be present in whatever it is you're doing. And when your mind wanders, and it will, just come back to the task at hand. The mindfulness of environment exercise can be utilized for daily activities such as walking or eating. While eating, try to notice the texture, size, shape, and color, and smell of each food before taking a bite. Having an open curiosity, as if seeing the food for the first time. When taking a bite, allow the food to stay in your mouth for a moment, noticing every detail and also the reactions your body may have to the food being in your mouth, thinking about salivation, the urge to chew or swallow, or your stomach growling. This exercise allows you to be more present when eating and enjoy the flavors more fully. When walking, notice your body sensations, feet hitting the ground, how your legs feel while moving or sitting, or the air against your skin. Once you've connected to the physical sensations of your body, shift your attention to your external surroundings. Notice things in nature, people or cars as they pass. Notice the terrain you are walking upon, as well as any other objects you may pass. However, there are times when noticing our thoughts or being present may not be what we are wanting or needing. When stress is high or you feel overwhelmed, guided meditation or relaxation exercises can offer a break from what is currently going on in your life. Find a quiet place where you will not be interrupted, and find a comfortable posture, either sitting or lying down. Now, imagine that you are a very large tree. Your trunk is large and strong, and you have roots that go way down deep into the earth, which is very grounding and stabilizing. Your branches may be filled with leaves, fruit, or whatever you may like. When the winds blow or storms come, your branches may sway in the wind or be hit with objects. Despite the weather and the elements, you're able to withstand these things while also bending and retaining a flexible nature. Other forms may be substituted for this, such as the ocean, beach, garden, or cloud. Next time you feel overwhelmed or stressed, take a few minutes and do one or more of these exercises. They will help you to experience life in the moment and to unwind from the stressors in your life. Other forms may be substituted for this, such as the ocean, beach, garden, or clouds. Next time you feel overwhelmed or stressed, take a few minutes and do one or more of these exercises. They will help you to experience life in the moment and to unwind from the stressors you experience.